So I just want to let you guys know that I've had a very positive experience with Vivix. They did a great job for me. So I have my paper, so please excuse me. They got a 78% accurate, derogatory and inaccurate deletions from my credit file. So they've done a very good job. I'm very happy with their services, and I would highly recommend them. They just did an excellent job. Their staff was very friendly and courteous. And if I had a question, they got back to me the same day or either the next day. But I would say 99% of the time they got back to me the same day. So that's pretty good turnaround for a business in general. So again, I highly recommend Vivix. I got a very positive result from them. So good luck to you.